Hi everyone, this is Professor Sanchez, and the goal of this video is to help you understand how to navigate our course. So I've clicked on modules after I got into the course, and this brings me to the pages where I can actually do my classwork and see what I need to do for week one. This other tab, Syllabus, you can either click here to download a copy of the syllabus, or it's also copied and pasted here. If you click on Grades, you will be able to check all your grades as they are recorded and see your total grade for the course at all times in this particular tab. People will help you to connect with each other in case you want to email someone. And the Conferences tab here is also important. This is how we will meet for online office hours. So there's no conferences set up yet. So when I click on it, nothing shows up. But soon we will have conferences set up for later in the first week of classes so that you can do office hours. All right, so I'm going to go back to modules and talk you through a little bit of week one. Now, as you know, this is a 7-week course, so it's accelerated, and we have a lot of work in each week, all right? So time management has to be very serious in this course and stay on top of all the work. Don't procrastinate, all right? So the weeks are split up into 2 parts. Monday through Thursday is part 1, and Thursday through Sunday is part 2. Okay, so for week 1, we have a number of things to check out and to look at. You'll notice that in each module here, there is an overview. So there's an overview here, there's one here. Basically what this does is tells you what to expect for the week. There will also be videos posted in each week to show you, talk you through the week so you know exactly what to do. It's very helpful to read these at the beginning of the week. You can click Next to go to the next part of the module. You can also click on Modules to go back to the list. This is just a reminder that there's an assignment in the second half of the week that requires office hours, so make sure you read through what you need to be doing later in the week so you can plan ahead. The next things in the modules, let's go back here. These are 2 content pages that just give you some information about how to be successful and how to see my feedback. Another thing that you'll see in most all the weeks will be readings and a quiz. So these go together, readings, quiz. You'll use the readings to take the quiz, and then there's also readings that are not on the quiz that you'll use throughout the week or that will supplement what we're learning that week. Every week in either part 1 or part 2, but not in both, there will be a discussion. So basically what I want you to do is read here what you're supposed to be posting, and then after you've posted your post, you'll respond to at least 2 of your classmates. Make sure you check out the rubric here so you know exactly how I'm grading you, and that you're also looking at your word count and making really developed responses. All right, so if I want to reply to this, I click here, a text box opens. Sometimes it can be helpful to make your font 14 point, and you can, start typing here. When you're ready, you can click Post Reply. After that's been posted, a little reply box will come underneath of it so you can then respond to each other's ideas. All right, going back to modules. Every week we will also do a mindful moment reflection. This is a way to slow down, take a breath in the week, and it's been one of the students' most favorite part of the course. So I hope that this is helpful to you. The thing that you need to do is download this mindfulness workbook, because that's what we'll be using. And then it tells you what to do here. I don't need you to send me a picture of the exercise that you do. I just need a 7 to 10 sentence paragraph reflecting on the exercise. Now, in order to get credit, you do have to answer these 2 things, and it does have to be, with length and editing. So make sure that you're meeting all of these criteria before you submit. And the last thing for part 1 is that you submit this technology backup plan assignment, where you're thinking through what happens if my computer breaks or my internet goes down. I want you to come up with some backup options immediately for now so that you know exactly what you would do. All right, then we go to part 2. So there's another reading set and a quiz, and then we have 2 assignments here. So the first is a time management assignment where you're thinking through how you're going to manage your time, creating a schedule for yourself, that sort of thing. And then the campus treasure hunt. I want to talk through this one a little bit. This can be done completely online, so you do not need to be on campus. Everything in this course can be completed online, so don't worry about that. Basically, you're going to download this sheet, and this is where you're going to fill out the questions, and you can use them, you can search online to find them. The second part of this assignment is that you have to also visit office hours. So, if you want to visit someone's office hours on campus, maybe you have another instructor that you're working with right now, that would be fine. If you want to meet with me, we can meet online or in person. So basically I have everything outlined here. I'm going to be holding online office hours through conferences. That's that tab I showed you here. For this week. So make sure that you check out the times and see if they work for you. If they do not work for you, email me early in the week to set up an appointment and let me know if you want to meet in person or online and what would be best for you. The conferences tab is pretty interesting. We can talk to each other. If you have a mic, we can do video chatting, and we can also do instant messaging to each other if for some reason you don't have a mic or a video camera. All right, so this is week 1. I know it's a lot, but a lot of the assignments hopefully won't take you as long as you think that they will. It's just sort of getting through it. This class is not meant to be super academically challenging, but that will help you to think about who you are as a student and the skills that you have as a student, as well as where you're going with your life and your major and your career. So I hope that you'll take this seriously. The more effort you put into this class, the more you're going to get back. And if you have any questions at any time, just send me an email, let me know, and I'll be happy to help you through any part of the class. But just the main thing is manage your time well, make a schedule, and stick to it. All right, have a really good week, everyone.